Hello, I'd like to show you a Python utility I created several months ago called Superzippy. It is capable of taking a multi-file, possibly multi-dependency Python script or Python package and shoving it into one executable file that you can then distribute to your end users. This makes Python distribution a little bit easier because I've noticed that for the end users for one of my applications, the law, they are not very comfortable with using pip or easy install or virtual env in order to install slightly complex Python packages. So this makes things very easy for everybody. So let's take a look at me using Superzippy on a small demo script that I've prepared. So the demo script is in this directory. You can see that there is a setup.py file. If you're not familiar with those, they are files that describe how to install your Python package to the Python package utilities such as pip or easy install. Superzippy uses this to figure out how to take your package and install it into its little virtual environment that it's going to create. So let's take a look at the script itself though, which is located in the demo directory. You can see that there's two interesting files here. There's a main.py and a utils.py. So let's go ahead and open up both of those and take a look inside. So inside of the main.py there is one function, main function, and it simply prints out the result of utils.add 1 and 2, which does just what you think. Here's the definition of the add function. It simply returns a plus b, the two operands. So that's all our script is. If we execute it, we of course expect 3 to get printed out. So let's do a little sanity check here. Alright, there we go. 3 gets printed out. We have interpreted this Python application correctly. Now let's use Superzippy on it. Actually, let me show you the setup.py file first. You can see, if you're familiar with setup.py files, that it's very vanilla. There's nothing out of the ordinary at all here. There's just some metadata, and then it says where to find the packages. That's all. So then let's go back here, and let's use Superzippy now. So, how you do this is execute Superzippy. You tell it the name of the binary you would like it to create, so the name of that single file that will be executable. Let's go with ds for demo script. Then you give it the package that you would like it to install. So we'd like to install the package in our current directory, so we're just going to use dot. And that's going to get passed to pip install, which is the Python package manager. And then finally we're going to tell it which function we would like it to execute when that resulting executable is run. So what we'd like to be run is that main function, right? When we execute our script, we would like 3 to get printed out, right? So we're going to say demo.main :main. So demo.main is the module, and then main is the function. All right. Before we execute it, I'm going to raise the verbosity, the logging level, so that we can actually see what's going on. And now I'm going to run it. You can see that it creates a virtual environment in some temporary directory and installs the package that we told it to install by just running pip install dot in the virtual environment. Then it adds a little bit of magic stuff, and then it zips it up into a zip file, which is actually all of what Superzippy does. It takes the code, puts it into a zip file, and then makes it executable. And CPython will actually, if you give it a zip file, will try to execute it according to certain rules. And that's what we take advantage of. So now when we run ds, 3 gets printed out. And if we were to unzip ds, because we of course can, sorry, make dirt. If we were to unzip ds, we can see what's inside of it. You can see that there's a site packages directory, which is very normal for a Python installation, and then there's some magic files that make it all come together. If you're interested in exactly how it works, the code is of course open source. I believe it's opened. I put it under the Apache license. Feel free to use it in your own projects. Please do, actually. I think it's kind of cool. I think it makes packaging a little bit easier. Right, and then if you have any questions, of course, please email me. My contact information is in my portfolio, which can be found, the link to which can be found in the description. So I hope you enjoyed the demo, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.